Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. We will analyze their features and help you decide which camera is the perfect fit for your needs. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Both cameras offer excellent image quality. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 features a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor with no low-pass filter, resulting in a near 10% boost in fine detail resolving power. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 features a 24.2-megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and DigicX processor. Both cameras capture stunning photos with rich details and vibrant colors. If you are into videography, both cameras have impressive video capabilities. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 can shoot 4K QFHD video at 30 FPS and offers exclusive LUMIX 4K photo and 4K post-focus features. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 can shoot 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 FPS, oversampled from 6K. It also offers full HD high frame rate movie recording at up to 120 FPS. Both cameras excel in autofocus performance. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 boasts a class-leading dual image stabilization system, which works in both photo and video recording, including 4K. It ensures clear and stable handheld shots even in low light conditions. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 features dual-pixel CMOS AFE with 651 AF zones and auto-subject detection and tracking using deep learning technology. It offers reliable and fast autofocus, particularly when capturing moving subjects. For those who prioritize portability, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 is a great choice. It offers a mirrorless interchangeable lens camera kit with two super compact lenses, making it lighter and more portable compared to most DSLRs. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 is also compact and lightweight thanks to its RF mount design. It allows you to easily carry it around for vlogging or other on-the-go shooting needs. Both cameras are priced competitively at $799. Considering their features and performance, it's a great value for money. Keep in mind that prices may vary, so make sure to check the latest pricing. And that concludes our comparison between the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. Both cameras have their strengths and are excellent choices depending on your specific needs. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.